Welcome to our topic on types of resumes. This is the first topic in our second module on building a winning resume. In this session, we will explore the different types of resumes, their unique features, and the context in which each is most effective, particularly focusing on Nigeria and sub-Saharan Africa. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of which resume format suits your specific career needs and circumstances. Before diving into the types of resumes, let's briefly cover what a resume is and its primary purpose. A resume is a document that outlines your professional background, skills, and achievements. It is typically the first impression you make on a potential employer. A well-crafted resume can significantly boost your chances of landing an interview by showcasing your qualifications and fit for the role. In Nigeria and across sub-Saharan Africa, the job market is highly competitive. Having a resume that stands out is crucial. Now, let's explore the different types of resumes. The chronological resume. The chronological resume is one of the most common and widely used formats. Imagine you're a project manager applying for a role in project operations and management. Your chronological resume would highlight your continuous experience in project management, showcasing your career growth and achievements in previous positions. Do not fret, here is what you need to know. Firstly, structure and content. Header includes your name, contact information, and LinkedIn profile if available. Secondly, objective or summary. A brief statement about your career goals or a summary of your qualifications. Thirdly, work experience. Listed in reverse chronological order, that is, starting from your most recent job. Each entry includes your job title, employer, dates of employment, and key responsibilities and achievements clearly written. Next, education, also listed in reverse chronological order. Skills, relevant skills that match the job description you are applying for. Additional sections, certifications, languages, volunteer work, etc. if applicable. 2. When to use it. Stability and growth. Best for individuals with a solid work history and clear career progression. Industry standards, often preferred in traditional fields such as education, law, and government jobs. Clear career path. Ideal when your career path shows upward mobility and relevance to the position you are applying for. Next, we have the functional resume, which focuses on skills and experiences rather than chronological work history. The functional resume. If you have been working in various freelance roles and are now applying for a full-time position in digital marketing, for instance, a functional resume would allow you to highlight your marketing skills and achievements rather than focusing on the freelance nature of your work history. Here we have structure and content. Header, your name, your contact information. Objective or summary, a statement about your skills and career goals. Skills and qualifications, grouped by category, e.g. project management, communication, technical skills, etc. Each category includes bullet points detailing your expertise and accomplishments. Work experience, briefly listed without detailed description. Education, as with other resume types, listed in reverse chronological order. When to use it. Career changes, suitable for individuals transitioning to a new career, where relevant skills are more important than specific job titles. Gaps in employment, ideal for those with gaps in their work history or limited work experience. Diverse experience, useful if you have a diverse range of skills that apply to the job but haven't had traditional career path. Next, we would explore the combination resume. The combination resume, as the name implies, merges the elements of both the chronological and functional formats. For example, suppose you're an IT professional with extensive experience in software development and project management. A combination resume would allow you to highlight your technical skills and management experience, making you a strong candidate for senior roles. Here's a closer look. For structure and content, header, your name and contact information. Objective or summary, a concise statement of your career goals or summary of your qualifications. Skills and qualifications, highlighted at the top, grouped by category with bullet points detailing relevant skills and achievements. Work experience, listed in reverse chronological order with brief explanations of your roles and accomplishments. Education, listed as usual in reverse chronological order. When to use it? Best of both worlds, ideal for showcasing both relevant skills and a solid work history. Highlighting key skills, useful if you have strong qualifications and experience, but want to emphasize certain skills that are crucial for the job. Meet career professionals, great for individuals with substantial experience and skills looking to advance their career. The fourth and final type of resume we will be discussing in this session is the targeted resume. A targeted job resume is customized for a specific job position. If you are applying for a position as a data analyst in a tech company, for instance, a targeted resume will highlight your data analysis skills, relevant work experience, and any specific software proficiencies that are particular to the job you're applying for. For structure and content, header, your name and contact information. Objective and summary, directly relevant to the job you're applying for. Skills and qualifications, specific to the job requirements. Work experience, emphasizes roles and achievements that match the job description. Education, relevant to the position. When to use it? Specific job applications, best when applying for a specific job position that you are highly qualified for. Custom approach, ideal for jobs that require particular skills and experience. Increased chances, by aligning your resume closely with the job description, you increase your chances of being noticed by the employer. Next, we will be discussing tips for crafting effective resumes in Nigeria and Sub-Saharan Africa. Here are some tips for crafting effective resumes in Nigeria and Sub-Saharan Africa. 1. Crafting your resume's vital details. When it comes to contact and personal information, it is vital to always research and adhere to the local norms and requirements. However, ensure that the following essential personal details on your resume are concise and clear. Your full name, phone number, email address, LinkedIn profile, optional but recommended. In some instances, you may also consider including city and state or province without full address for privacy reasons, professional website or portfolio where applicable. 2. Highlight relevant skills. It is crucial to emphasize skills that are highly sought after in the job market. For instance, proficiency in IT, project management, operations management, and bilingual abilities can significantly enhance your resume's appeal to employers. 3. Education and certifications. Be sure to include all relevant educational qualifications and any professional certifications you have obtained. This provides employers with valuable insight into your academic background and expertise. 4. Use clear and professional language. Opt for clear and concise language, avoiding industry-specific jargon that may not be universally understood. Employers appreciate resumes that are easy to read and comprehend. Utilize bullet points to streamline information and maintain professionalism throughout. 5. Proofread. Prior to submission, meticulously proofread your resume to eliminate any grammatical errors or typos. Attention to detail is crucial, as flawless documentation reflects your professionalism and commitment to excellence. In conclusion, understanding the different types of resumes and when to use them can significantly enhance your job application process. Whether you opt for a chronological, functional, combination, or targeted resume, make sure it aligns with your career goals and the job you are applying for. Thank you for joining us in this session. In our next topic, we will delve into the key components of an effective resume. Stay tuned and continue your journey towards crafting a winning resume. Thank you.